Hello and welcome to the dark reaction video. The goals for this one are going to be to describe the Calvin-Benson cycle, and then we'll briefly talk about how plants have adapted to their environment. So the Calvin-Benson cycle is the primary process of the dark reaction. And what we notice is we start off up here with our carbon dioxide molecules, and they're going to get put into the system here. So the carbon dioxide molecules are going to join up with these three RUBP molecules, and we're going to end up forming 6 PGA molecules over here. Now, from light reaction, we also manufactured some ATP, and we manufactured some NADPH, and that's going to take our 6 PGAs and convert them into 6 G3P molecules. Now, the G3P molecule is an energy-rich sugar, and one of these is going to be kicked out, and this is what's going to be used later on to make glucose. Okay, so this is our precursor molecule for glucose. So that leaves us with 5 of these G3P molecules. We're going to add some more ATP, and that brings us back to our 3 RUBP molecules, and we can run the process all over again. So you can see we're adding 3 carbon dioxides here, and we're joining those together through this process basically to make this G3P molecule, which we're going to use to make sugar afterwards. And that's the dark reaction. That's the Calvin-Benson cycle, and then the cell further goes on, and like I said, makes this glucose molecule for us. Now, that pretty much summarizes photosynthesis, and you can see our little image of it over here and how it's related to cellular respiration. If we go real quickly, what we can see is through the process of photosynthesis, we're taking water and carbon dioxide, the energy from the sun, and that's what's going to form our sugar and our oxygen, which we then send through cellular respiration, and you can see the cycle repeats over and over again. There's a couple other things that the lessons will talk about. They'll talk about some modifications in plants. Primarily, we know those. Those are our desert plants, our cactus and such. And the reason that we bring these up is because they work a little bit differently. What they do is they will close up during the daytime when it's hot, and that way they don't lose a lot of water. And they're still able to run this light process. And then the dark process they will do later on when they can open up the stoma and they can get in the carbon dioxide that they need and all of that fun stuff. So a little bit of a variation in some of the plants, and it makes sense why they're doing it so that they don't lose water. So that's it for this video. Good luck with the lessons, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.